In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game LEGO Party on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now what you need to do is go to your Google browser and we need to quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website, quickly search up the game and don't waste too much time on it. Go to the game LEGO Party and select it. Once you have scrolled down, you will find out that this game on Steam is €33.29. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Here we will search for the same game LEGO Party. Now once you have searched for the game, then sort by price lowest first. As you can see, we have a PC version over here with this text marked green, so the game can be activated in our country. This is very important. Then select the game. Now once you have selected the game, you will find out that we can already download this game for €28.73 compared to the Steam price of €33.29. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now what you can do is purchase this game on this website, and after that you will receive a completely legit Steam key to activate this game within Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!